Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Tiller to Fidelity for accurate balances. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Tiller website. Log into your Tiller account using your email and password. Once logged in, go to the dashboard where you manage your financial accounts. Look for the option labeled Add Account or similar. Click on this option to start the process of linking your investment accounts. In the search bar, type in Fidelity to find the right financial institution. Select Fidelity from the list of options presented. You will be prompted to enter your Fidelity account credentials. Provide your Fidelity username and password carefully. Follow any additional security prompts, such as two-factor authentication, if applicable. Once you have successfully logged in, Tiller will request permission to access your accounts. Review the permissions and agree to connect your Fidelity account. Tiller will begin syncing your Fidelity balances and transactions. This may take a few moments, so be patient as the data loads. After the sync is complete, check the dashboard for your updated balances. Make sure the information is accurate and reflects your current investment holdings. If everything looks good, you are now successfully connected. You can now access your Fidelity account details directly within Tiller. This allows for seamless tracking of your investments and balances. If you encounter any issues during this process, refer to Tiller's help resources for troubleshooting. You are now set to manage your finances more effectively with Tiller and Fidelity connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.